The mighty magnesium, your body's tiny spark plug. Magnesium. It might not be the first thing that pops into your head when you think of good health. But trust me, this mighty mineral is a VIP in your body. It's like the tiny spark plug that keeps everything running smoothly. From your muscles flexing to your nerves firing, magnesium is involved in over 300 processes. Now, imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Every part needs to work in sync, right? That's where magnesium steps in. It's like the master conductor, making sure everything runs smoothly. Without enough magnesium, your body can start to feel out of whack. You might feel tired, your muscles might cramp up, and you might even feel a little grumpy. But don't worry, getting enough magnesium is easier than you think. So, buckle up as we explore the wonderful world of magnesium and why it's so crucial for your muscles, nerves, and overall health. Let's talk about muscles. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or just going about your day, your muscles are constantly working. And guess what helps them do their job? You got it. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Think of it as a dance between two partners. Magnesium helps them move gracefully without stepping on each other's toes. When you don't have enough magnesium, your muscles might start to protest. You know that annoying muscle cramp you get in your leg? Yep, that could be a sign you need more magnesium. But that's not all. Magnesium also helps your muscles recover after a workout. It's like a soothing massage for your tired muscles, reducing soreness and fatigue. So, if you want to keep your muscles happy and strong, make sure you're getting enough magnesium. Your body will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about your nerves. They're like the body's communication network, constantly sending signals from your brain to the rest of your body. And guess what helps keep those signals clear and strong? You guessed it again, magnesium. Magnesium acts as a natural chill pill for your nerves. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers that zip around your brain, influencing your mood and stress levels. When you're low on magnesium, your nerves can get a bit frayed. You might feel more anxious, have trouble sleeping, or even experience headaches. But don't fret. Magnesium can help bring back the calm. Think of magnesium as a gentle hug for your nervous system, helping it stay balanced and resilient in our fast-paced world. Section 4. Fuel up on magnesium. Nature's powerhouse foods. Ready to power up your magnesium levels? Good news! Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, are tasty snacks. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is a good source of magnesium. Avocado is delicious and a good source of magnesium. Bananas also pack a punch of magnesium. Incorporating these foods can make a world of difference in how you feel. Section 5. Magnesium, the unsung hero of your well-being. Magnesium is much more than just another mineral on the periodic table. It's the unsung hero of your well-being, vital for countless bodily functions. From strong muscles to calm nerves, magnesium is essential for a vibrant life. And the best part? It's available through delicious and nutritious foods. If considering supplements, consult with your doctor. Embrace the power of magnesium and support your body. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.